New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little Egg Inlet, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Beach Haven, Little Egg Reef, Little Egg Inlet and North Beach Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Here is the forecast.